I'd come over here and stand in creek bed a little. Pretty wide through here. Turn around here and keep the sun out of your eyes, hopefully. Nice looking little rock. I got a bunch of little ones like that. My hiking buddy Steve, he got a yard full of them now. He comes over here and goes off trail and gets some pretty good sized ones. Just tell me here, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago that he came over with a wheelbarrow or something and loaded a bunch up. He got a home there in Farmington. He spreads them around his yard. Oops, make sure I don't knock you in the head here. Whoop. Yeah. Nice little pool of water. Don't see any minnows, but yeah, that really, see how wide that dude is? There's some really a bunch of water comes down through here. I never catch it just right. Get back up here. That's a good, out there in the center is probably a good 3 feet deep. Forced it out in there. Piled it all up over here. I see a trail right over there, best I remember. I haven't been over, but I think that goes down to that, oh, I can't think of the name of that loop over there, that 4-mile loop. I can't remember, but I've been aiming to get over that way from here, still following the stream all the way down for a mile or 2, just take and go across the mountain there and run into it. I seen when I was over that day that I done that, when I seen some old trails that kind of grown over, but you could tell they'd been used at one time. Yeah, this here is an old bike trail. I see the tread marks and there's some boot marks there. Yeah, it goes, I see that. Probably got you in the eyeballs just then. Let's cross right here and just see if I can keep from stepping on a rock. That's going to roll on me. Out of curiosity here. Yeah. It's been a while since it's been used, but you can see it through there. Take a quick peek and see how. Yep, you're seeing what I'm seeing. Okay. Little tree right there has got some pretty good sized roots. Just about have to have them. Next time I'm down down Mill Stream, if I don't forget, I'm gonna take it If the water's down, we can see the roots of some of those trees. I'd like to get a shot to show you of how they hug them rocks. The roots are flat, almost like a pancake. They wrap themselves around them rocks, and even during flood stage, they hang on. They lean over a little bit, but they hang on. I have seen the flood stage over there back in May of 2015, I think it was. Yeah, I dubbed it. I tried to rework it and repost it, but I didn't. It looks all right. Here's another little cross trail right here. Come down over there and it goes across right there. You can see. Yeah, so I'd come over here and, oh, bumblebee. Yeah, they've been over here marking the trail. You can see the orange signs up there. Well, they got them clubs and young people, and slightly older too. They get over here and they just have fun. Gentle breeze. It does feel good. It's not hot, not humid. Just meander on this way. Let me get back down here on the sandbar. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Now, be over to get this up and let you take a look at it. Get my pole just right, so it won't be falling over on me. Let's see if you see it here. Yeah, get a little closer. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Yeah, well, I come down this way with my cell phone that time that I had when I first started video, and I just still thought those looked pretty good. They didn't take them 4K, just 1080, but video part was just too shaky. Cross right here. Those cedar trees are hanging on for dear life. Whew, water's cold. Splashed up on my back of my leg. Well, let's get up on the bank and go around this. Yeah, I don't want to do that. I can cross right there. See if I can straddle this thing without falling. Oh. There, I made it. And when you got short legs like me, you're tricky. Cross right here and go back down. There's some good old roots on that tree. Feeder stream there, winds around up through the woods. Get back over here on the sandbar and the rock and whatnot. Yeah, I see some tracks right over there, which most likely deer tracks. Like they've been kind of pawing around over there. See right there? So that looks like deer tracks. Yeah, that's what it is. They've been down here watering. There's coon right there. Them old raccoons, they can. That's another one's probably close to 3 feet, 30 inches or so, out there in the center. You cross it again right here. Getting kind of windy.